With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked name the organelles which show the analogy written as under. Right, so the first one is given to us the transporting channel of the cell. Right, so the transporting channel of the cell is basically the endoplasmic reticulum. Right, it is the endoplasmic reticulum. Right, so if we talk about the endoplasmic reticulum, it basically acts as the internal delivery system, right, because the substance, right, whatever substance has to move, right, they move through, right, they move through the ER, right, they move through the ER to different places of the cell, right. Another apart from this, right, whatever secretory proteins, glycoproteins, their movement is all is across the endoplasmic reticular membrane, right. So basically it acts as a transport channel of the cell. Apart from this, if we talk about the second one, so the second part says powerhouse of the cell is basically known as the mitochondria because it is the site of aerobic respiration. Right, so aerobic respiration basically a process that wherein the respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, right, and the release of energy basically occurs, right. So in this, the in total 38 molecules of ATP are produced, right. So the here the energy which is formed or which is produced is in the form of ATP, right. So that is the reason why powerhouse of the cell is basically known as the mitochondria, right. Then the next part that we have packaging and dispatching unit of the cell, so that's basically the Golgi apparatus. So whatever substance, the material that is synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum, that is the protein and the lipids, they all are modified, right, they all are modified, packed and dispatched by the Golgi apparatus further to the other cell organelles and to the plasma membrane, right. So the packaging and dispatching unit of the cell is basically the Golgi apparatus. Now we talk about the digestive bags of the cell, so that's basically known as the lysosome. So lysosome contains the digestive enzymes, right, they contain the digestive or the hydrolytic enzyme. They basically are responsible for killing the any foreign material which is present which comes in the cell, right, or it basically also plays a major role in clearing the cell debris, right. Hence it is known as the digestive bag because it digests all the waste material, right, that is found in the cell such as cell debris, right. Then the storage sac of the vacuole is sac of the cell is basically known as the vacuole because vacuole is responsible for storing the cell sap, right. All the waste material, excessive water is all stored in the vacuole of the cell. So vacuole in plants, there is a one large central vacuole in the plant cell, whereas in case of animal cell there are some 2-3 small vacuoles present, right. Then the kitchen of the cell is basically the chloroplast. So in kitchen we basically prepare the food, right. So in plants the food is prepared in the chloroplast because the chloroplast contains the chlorophyll, right. Chlorophyll, that so it is the pigment which is responsible for trapping the sunlight and carrying out the photosynthesis, right. So kitchen of the cell basically known as the chloroplast. Now the next part that is given to us is the control room of the cell. So that's basically the nucleus because every activity of the cell is controlled, right. Every activity is controlled by the nucleus, and as it also contains all the genetic information, right, about the organism, right. So that's the control room of the cell, right. Basically it controls all the activities that has to happen in the cell, right. So these are the answers for the following parts, right.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.